Now we will be cooking oatmeal porridge. We put 600 milligram of water. That's equivalent to 6 deciliter of water. And then this is 2.5 deciliter of oatmeal. You can always boil at first, but I always use the boiler to boil the water, so it's much quicker. We just cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. As 5 minutes pass by, this is our porridge looks like. So now this is the time when you throw the salt. And let it simmer again for about 3 minutes. Because we're just using lower heat, so it doesn't overflow. Our porridge is beautifully simmering. Perfect. Now our beautifully, perfectly cooked porridge. As you see the consistency, it's really very beautiful. Not so dry, and it's just perfectly cooked. You can finally serve this with cinnamon, sugar, honey, brown sugar, jam, any kinds of jam, or sardines, whatever you wish to pair it with. Instead of eating the rice, then just eat with oatmeal as a replacement for the rice. So with our porridge beautifully done, let's make a presentation. My husband wants to eat with butter, so this is for him with the melting butter. For me, I want the jam. I think perfect for my jam. Beautiful serving.